In primetime news this evening, brutal. Autopsy shows 8-year-old Daniel Rowe died from incise wound to the neck. Corporate area school promotes safe monitoring initiative for students. And former service members propose military school for troubled children as a crime-fighting measure.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I am Giovanni Dennis.
And I am Andrea Chisholm. In the business day today, Usain Bolt joins the board of Supreme Ventures Limited.
And Jordan Fort is here with a preview of what's to come in sports. Jordan.
Well, Giovanni, once again, there's trouble brewing in local women's football as one executive member of the JFF is crying foul over an incident which took place at the Reggae Girls pre-World Cup preparation camp right here on home soil. I'll tell you the details in Primetime Sports Monday.
Thank you very much, Jordan. And Romaine Robinson is also here. I'm hearing about Brett. Romaine, what's happening with the weather?
Yes, we did name Tropical Storm Brett earlier this afternoon, and it is in the Atlantic. We'll have a look at that in just a moment. But across the Caribbean for much of this week, we're expecting more clouds and a few isolated showers that should occur mainly across sections of the west.
There's also sports commentary E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what's your view on the proposal to send troubled children in Jamaica to military school?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after these messages.